Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Honda Fit radio. First, let's gather our tools. You will need plastic trim removal tools, an 8mm socket with an extension, and a Phillips head screwdriver. It's also a good idea to have a magnetizer for your screwdriver to keep those tiny screws from getting lost. Always ensure your car is off and parked safely before starting any work. Now, let's begin by removing the trim panels. Start with the lower dash panel directly below the radio. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry it off. Next, open your glove box and squeeze the sides to drop it down, giving you better access. Then, carefully remove the trim surrounding the gauge cluster and the air vents, as these often overlap the radio unit. With the trim panels out of the way, we can now access the radio unit. You'll find one 8mm bolt behind the lower dash panel you removed earlier. After that, locate two more 8mm bolts, one on each side of the radio. Once all three bolts are out, gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dashboard. It's held by several clips, usually between 8 and 13, so a firm but steady pull is needed. Finally, it's time to disconnect the wiring. On the back of the radio, you'll see several wiring harnesses. Each has a small tab you need to press to release it. Gently unplug each one. Don't forget the antenna cable, which typically pulls straight off. Once all connections are free, you can carefully remove the radio completely from the dashboard. Double-check that no wires are snagged before setting it aside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.